Here are some other things we can draw out from that Acts 8 encounter between Philip and this Ethiopian eunuch. The first thing is that evangelism, it goes beyond our comfort zones. The gospel message is meant to reach all people, regardless of their location, their background. We should be willing to step out of our own comfort zones to share the message of Christ. Had Philip not listened to the instruction given to him by the angel of the Lord to go down south, to take that desert road down south from Jerusalem to Gaza, and then listen to the instruction by the Spirit of God to go walk alongside the carriage, we would not have this account of Philip and the Ethiopian eunuch. My comfort level must not be a hindrance to bringing the message of Jesus Christ to those that are in need of it. Today, I'm challenging you. Come out of your comfort zone. You may say, I'm a person, I like to stay in the background. I don't like to talk. I'm quiet. Whatever the case may be, it's important that we understand that the gospel message of Jesus Christ is for all people, all nations, all social statuses. It doesn't matter. And so it's important we push past our comfort zone and reach them for the honor and glory of God.